What a wonderful world. Hi guys, and welcome to another day in my life. So today I'm actually gonna get vaccinated, so I thought I should vlog my whole day because it's an exciting day. I was actually supposed to get vaccinated last week, exactly last week. So if you want to know why I didn't get vaccinated last week, please check out my last vlog because a lot went down last week. But come along, let's go through my day together. Just having some breakfast. So this is my current favorite breakfast when I don't have eggs at home. So this is just some black coffee. I'll show you actually the brand that I use, and then just some mango. I also have some dates, 3 to 4 dates, but I already ate that in the morning. So this is what I'm gonna have right now. This is the coffee that I've been using by Davidoff. So ये मुझे गोपाली ने gift किया था in the mystery box, and I finally started using it now, and it's actually really nice. Let's pick an outfit for today. I think let's go with this top, pants, jewelry, and lastly boots. Okay, so I'll show you my outfit later on, but I'm just gonna quickly get ready. And this is the combo that I've been using, and I am mind blown. Like, I've heard a lot of people talking about this, and I finally got my hands on the Dermaweave's Hydra Cleanser. This is an oatmeal based cleanser, cleanses your skin really beautifully and also moisturizes it at the same time. This is suitable for all skin type, and this smells so good. And I top it off with the Nutriderm moisturizing lotion. This has vitamin E. This underneath makeup is so nice. It moisturizes my skin so well and lays really well under makeup. This is honestly one of the best moisturizers that I've used. This absorbs into my skin within seconds literally, and my skin feels very soft, very non-sticky also, which is crucial. By the way, both of these products are made in Australia. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box. Now I'm just gonna move on to my makeup. I'll also link all the products that I'm using in case you're interested. Quick OODD, my mirror is dirty, so please don't judge me, but I have no other way of showing you. So this is my top. This is launching soon on Skion. Then I'm wearing the paper bag jeans that Aditi gifted me with some Shein boots, and Aditi's bag also actually.
I'm the most hushar girl on this planet.
So we left. Okay, it's been like 10 minutes since we left. Zyada bhi time nahi hua, and I realized, shut up, and I realized I forgot my phone at home. So we're going back and we're gonna get the phone because obviously, I mean, I need my phone.
No need. ऐसे ही चलो. वैसे भी यूज तो कर दिए नहीं. Instagram पे मैसेज करो. हमारे बाद तो रिप्लाई आता है.
Found it. Okay, so we're back on the road. We were actually, all of us were supposed to go together last Sunday. All of us were supposed to get vaccinated together, but you guys know what happened last week. So everyone's vaccinated except me. So everyone had told me that they would come with me to make it kind of like a outing. We'll make a day out of it. That's what we thought. But सिर्फ शिखर और आदि आए because दूसरे सब बहुत busy है in their lives. So शाम को hopefully मिल पाएंगे because everyone's vaccinated. So we can meet with masks on, I think. But now we're just going and we're gonna have lunch first. But since it's a weekend, I don't think you can go in restaurants. And anyway, we wouldn't have even if it was allowed. We're just gonna grab some lunch, have it in the car. Yeah, that's the plan so far. So we're almost here.
No, almost here.
Almost here. 10 minutes away.
There is a detour.
Shut up, guys. So basically, we're at. Let me talk.
Oh, please.
बीच में बात बोलो. We're at Gateway, okay, and मेरा college था इधर, okay. I've come here for 2 years, and also I know this area pretty well, okay. So I told them that I would direct.
कौन सा circle है आदि?
King Circle.
आदि? King Circle. ए माटुका में आ गया अपन.
I don't know. It's a joke. I know that.
Wow.
Shut up. Basically मुझे लगा कि मुझे पता है रास्ता कहाँ है. But the thing is that even if I come to like the same place, I have noticed that I suck when it comes to roads. जैसे मेरी बहन है Kashish, for example. You know Kashish, right? So she comes to like one place and then she remembers the road in one go. I come to one place 100 times, but I still won't remember the road. इधर से मैं बता सकती हूँ.
अरे मैं तो कहीं से ही बता सकती है ब्रो. सही बताएगी कि नहीं वो क्वेश्चन है. बता तू कहीं से भी सकती है.
Anyway, we've placed an order for. I've ordered pasta. They've ordered a pizza.
and pizza with stuffed crust.
हाँ वही. Nobody cares about your order, but ठीक है. We've picked up our food. This is what ये लोग का lunch looks like. क्या है ये? Stuffed
Crust barbecue, chicken barbecue pizza.
Correct. Go ahead, dig in. This is what my lunch looks like. Alfredo penne pasta. Looks very yummy, but it's gonna be so messy to eat. They also given me garlic bread. Done with lunch. Review सबका क्या है? So good. Na Shikhar, was this your first time यहाँ का pizza? Adi has had it. What are your thoughts? पास आके बोलो please.
मजा आ गया.
So obviously यहाँ का pizza is very famous, but other than that their soups and salads are amazing. I had their pasta for the first time, which was also very nice. So good lunch. Now we're going to the center, actually the hospital, to get vaccinated. Me to get vaccinated. So we're here. I'm right outside the HCG hospital, Colaba. तो मुझे अभी थोड़ा nervous feel हो रहा है. I was so excited. I mean, I'm still excited, but I'm a little bit nervous.
अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है.
तुम लोग का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा बता जल्दी.
2 दिन तक इसका पार्टी है. Experience.
I still honestly think कि I'm not going to get any sort of fever या anything like, because both of my parents did. So I'm hoping कि मेरे साथ भी ऐसा कुछ होगा.
Babu, this was the feeling I was getting when I was getting vaccinated, and I know how I got through it. The next 2 days.
So I'm not taking my camera inside because it's so crowded and I just feel weird, and they won't be able to come with me obviously. So I'm just gonna vlog with my phone. That is if they let me. We'll see. Wish me luck.
वैक्सीन का नाम कोविशील्ड है. सेकंड डोज 84 डेज बाद मिलेगा. फीवर आया तो प्रोसेक डोलो 650 लेना है. ओके. फिलहाल आपको 15 मिनट बाहर वेट करना है. ओके. सेकंड डोज 84 डेज बाद. ओके.
I'm done. Vaccinated. Oh my god, it was so claustrophobic, especially wearing 2 masks.
Please log after 24 hours and let us see if you maintain this energy or not.
They are convinced that I'm gonna be miserable after a few hours. We'll see. I don't think so. Yeah, I mean obviously, but I don't think I'm going to. We'll see. Also, one girl who got vaccinated, she fainted in front of me. तो मैं भी चुपचाप बैठ गई 10-15 मिनट. Observation. अच्छा फ्रेम में आना.
आता नहीं है इसको बनाना.
तो हाँ, तो बेसिकली क्या अच्छा था पूरा सेटअप ऑफ द हॉस्पिटल, बट बाहर लाइक व्हेन यू आर गेटिंग एडमिनिस्टर्ड, या व्हेन यू आर वेटिंग बेसिकली, नहीं ऑब्जर्वेशन नहीं, पहले वेटिंग का पीपल वर लिटरली स्टैंडिंग 1 palm away from me, like इतना सोशल डिस्टेंस, सो मच फॉर सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, सो दैट वाज स्कैरी. उसके अलावा अंदर ठीक था. द गाय हु वाज लाइक राइटिंग माय स्टफ वाज वेरी रूड, बट इट्स ओके, व्हाटएवर.
वेरी रूड.
He was very rude. बोलता है, so basically he was on the phone the whole time, okay? और फिर he didn't even tell me where to go, so I just decided to go right, and he's like, madam left जाओ ना. I was going to tell him, आप बोलोगे तो मैं जाऊंगी, but I was like, जान दो. Forget it. मतलब the tone was so rude. I was like, जान दे. तो बस anyway हो गया मेरा वैक्सीनेशन. मुझे कुछ दिया नहीं, बिस्किट या चाय या कॉफी.
अरे वो सिर्फ स्पेशल लोग.
तुम लोग को दिया था ना, मैंने सबसे सुना कि
मेरे तो भी रखा था, मैंने लिया नहीं. मैं तो रिलायंस में किया है.
Anyway, I'm gonna go take a outfit of the day picture because why not? And then we'll decide the plan.
उसे घुमाना पड़ेगा.
My hair. We were taking pictures. अगर कोई भी ढंग के आए, I'll insert it on the screen. And it was so windy. It was sunny. Then it became windy, and now current situation.
In a matter of seconds.
Welcome to Mumbai rains. यहाँ पे we're trying to take a picture right now. Hopefully now it doesn't start raining. Okay, so basically I wore this top, right? And my entire Instagram is flooded with you guys asking about this top. So this should be out in 2 weeks. I'm hoping this is supposed to be out in the beginning of June. But beginning of May. But because of COVID, it's all stuck. So we're hoping that we should receive it by the end of this week. And then we launch this in like 6 or 7 colors, right? Basically all our colors. Hi, bol vlog ko.
Hi guys.
और सबको पता तू आया क्यों नहीं मेरे साथ? तूने मुझे प्रॉमिस किया था।
मैंने किया था बट थोड़ा इशू हो गया टाइमिंग वगैरह का सब।
इशू क्या इशू हुआ बता तो जरा।
अरे मेरे स्टोर पे 2 लोग ऑलरेडी नहीं आए।
बहुत दिलदार सेट है।
बिजनेसमैन। बैक होम आई चेंज माय क्लोथ्स एंड फ्रेशनड अप, पूरा सैनिटाइज कर लिया सब। टाइम टू सैनिटाइज द बॉयज। इधर खड़ा रहे तो प्लीज स्टैंड हियर। योर टर्न। आर यू रेडी? Guess what we're doing? Watching old vlogs and feeling sad that the pandemic is on.
ऐसे ऊपर कि बराबर है।
बस ना लोग आएंगे अभी नीचे अपना सर फिर अपना इधर ऐसे करने का।
ऐसे आए क्या हम लोग तो?
Hi guys, so all of us are home. तीर्थ भी अभी आया थोड़े टाइम पहले, एक्चुअली काफी टाइम हो गया आके। वी वर जस्ट टॉकिंग ऑल दिस वाइल एंड मुझे याद आया कि मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे आस्क्ड यू गाइज टू टेल मी अबाउट योर सीक्रेट्स, डर्टी सीक्रेट्स, एंड दिस इज अ ट्रेंड गोइंग अराउंड वेयर यूट्यूबर्स रीड देयर फॉलोअर्स के डर्टी सीक्रेट्स, बट मुझे एंटायर वीडियो नहीं बनाना था इस पे। सो वी आर डूइंग अ स्मॉल सेगमेंट। आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रीड द सुपर R-rated 18+ वाले because it's just too much. We'll read थोड़े से mild one, yeah, somewhere in the middle.
PG-14?
हाँ, PG-14 type.
वाह नानी PG-14 है ना, impressive.
आता है रे। सब लोग के बहुत डार्क ज्यादा सीक्रेट्स है।
बहुत
ज्यादा ही है।
इंडिया में रह रहे ना पर
इसलिए तो ऐसे बाहर आता है।
Okay, so the first one is I watched porn for the first time on my father's laptop. He downloaded them and I saw them. तुम लोग के साथ कभी हुआ है ऐसा? नहीं, क्योंकि मैंने ये सुना है काफी बार कि most boys see porn on their dads, like CDs या phone या something like that. नहीं, okay.
हमारा स्टोरी काफी अच्छा है इससे।
बताओ, do you mind to share?
No. PG-14. Sorry.
Cool. I sneaked my boyfriend into my house while everyone was present in the house.
How?
I know, right? Guts Max is a
वो क्या वो रोब लाके ऐसा इनविजिबिलिटी का रोब लाके निकाला क्या अंदर?
नहीं यार ऐसा हो सकता है ना कि
2 दरवाजे।
हाँ, बैकडोर से।
Yeah, not everyone lives in Mumbai. सब लोग कैसे बड़े-बड़े घर होते हैं।
ओटी भी होती है भाई, दीवार पर लांग के आते हैं।
But still, Guts Max.
Guts Pro Max, सिर्फ Guts नहीं है, Guts Pro Max है।
Stole a condom from my parents' bedroom, opened it just to see what was in there.
मृदु।
What nonsense! I've never done that. ये सच नहीं है guys. But this is, I mean, I understand. Curiosity probably. Right. ये तू है made out in the train twice at night. So I saw इतने सारे secrets about cousins, brothers. I don't know how.
Game of Thrones जिंदाबाद.
Oh my god, like how and why? Why is what I want to know. There are so many guys in the world. Please go to other guys. भाई
Exactly. मतलब अपने भाई बहन छोड़ो, दूसरों की भी है आसपास।
This one.
ये शिखर का यही है थियरी। शिखर का थियरी वही है ना, बहनों पे ट्राई।
तो भाई क्यों नहीं ना, पर दोस्तों की।
I had my first kiss at 11. That's very young ना, 11. तेरी कब थी?
16।
मैं घंटा नहीं बता रहा।
16 is a decent age, I would say. He's my stepfather.
What is up with the incest?
I know, right? Does this actually happen?
Sugar daddy.
Sugar daddy. I got drunk for the first time with my mother's brother, my mama, and made out with him.
Mama?
Oh my god, I spat in my mother's shampoo because she was yelling at me. Ew. You guys are evil. It's very mean. I was kissing my boyfriend and got caught by his grandmother. Oh my god.
I would like to know उसके बाद क्या हुआ? ये तो ठीक है.
Secretly hate my boyfriend.
नाम पढ़ भाई.
Expose कर दूंगा.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा, don't worry guys. Your secrets are safe with me. I smoke my dad's cigarette. and he doesn't know about it. I like my cousin, but I know he will never make out. I think that's what she means. अच्छा है. I'm glad that he won't make out.
यार ये रील वो था ना, 2 best friends in a room, 2 cousins in a room.
ऐसा लगता है.
Exactly. I made out with my female cousin. After that, I got to know that I am bi, and I am happy that I got to know about it. Okay, good for married.
Exposed.
This is not true, guys. These people are putting random things on me. I gave my sister vinegar instead of water.
ये अंडरस्टैंडेबल है. चल, I spit in my brother's food while serving it to him. अरे कोरोना कुछ है कि नहीं तुम लोग को?
Okay, बस इतना ही पढ़ेंगे. है तो मेरे पास literally hundreds. We're gonna go off camera and read them and just have a blast. But can't read most of them on here. But I'll catch you in a little bit. Update on my vaccine situation. थोड़ा मेरा आर्म दुखना शुरू हो गया, लेफ्ट आर्म, जस्ट अ लिटिल बिट, बट आई एम स्टिल कॉन्फिडेंट मुझे कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
अभी तो पार्टी
ऐसा करने वाली है.
देखते हैं. We'll see. So checking in after 2 days. I didn't vlog myself when I was not sick, but I did have a headache and I did have a body ache. So I was right. मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा severe symptoms नहीं हुए to the vaccine. I did not have any sort of like fever या shivering. None of that happened to me, thank God. Touch wood. When I got the vaccine, the day when I got the vaccine, I came back home because I wanted to be at home in case I got sick. But when I was driving back home here, my hand started to hurt and hand pain abhi bhi hai, and it was really bad on day 1 post the vaccine. So yeah, that was the only major sort of side effect that I had. But I think that's basically it to my vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this very random vlog, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, take care.